Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do in real time a battery replacement. So for the iPhone 6, 6S, 6 Plus, and 6S Plus, they're all very similar. I'm going to show you a few things to watch out for. It's actually a very basic repair, but you do want to be careful. You can ruin a few things in your device. So starting with the pentalobe screws, as always, removing these from the device. Then you're going to use something like an iSesamo or a jimmy or a pry opening tool to get in between the metal bezel and the glass frame. From there, you can just kind of pull the screen. You don't want to go past 90% because then you do risk breaking the actual display. And obviously in this repair, we're going to remove the battery first. But before attempting any other repair, you're going to remove the battery connector first before attempting anything else. We want to make sure that there's no electricity running or no current running through any of the phone before attempting anything. So I just took the shield off, disconnected the battery. Next, you're going to want to remove the screen. Some people try and attempt the battery replacement with the screen still attached. I don't recommend that. More often than not, you'll end up breaking that display and then having to do multiple repairs rather than just a simple battery replacement. So it's going to take 5 Phillips screws. Make sure to keep these in the correct order. A couple of them are different sizes. So if you put the longest screw where the shortest one goes, it may actually drill through the motherboard. So that's one of the important steps of removing the screen as well. All right, so now we can attempt to remove the battery. I'm gonna take out this part here just to make it a little bit easier, give us more room to try and peel off that tape. And as I peel off this tape, this is where a lot of people have the most trouble. So there's 2 strips of tape. On the first one, I'm going to show you what a perfect one looks like on removal. And the next one, I'm going to show you what commonly happens and how to fix that. So these 2 black strips, they're much like command strips. Usually you just peel the top portion to reveal the tape and then slowly pull out and as low as possible. This one came out perfectly. This is what you hope for. But out of all the battery replacements I do, it's not as common. This one, let me show you what more commonly happens. You go to peel it. It's old adhesive, so it starts to break and it rips just like that. Now I'm getting some fine point tweezers, twirling it around so I have enough leverage, and then I can slowly try and peel that out. Now if that doesn't work, you can try and pry the motherboard out, but I try and avoid that as much as possible. And just like that, it's done. Now with your replacement, depending on your battery replacement, it should have given you adhesive. If it did not send you adhesive, make sure to get your own set of either 3M adhesive or iPad red tape, but you want to make sure to secure that battery or it's going to be floating loose in your phone. So after you install your battery, put it back together and it's good to go.